Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to update Bluetooth driver in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to update your Bluetooth drivers, let's see how you can do that. You just have to click on the start button and then just search for device manager. Now in device manager, you just have to locate your Bluetooth driver. It's Bluetooth, just click on this to expand this. And here just right click on this driver. There's an Intel R. Right click on this and then click on update driver. If you have already downloaded any drivers, you can locate it in your PC, or you can also try to search automatically for drivers. So it will search automatically. If there will be any update pending for your driver, it will be automatically installed. Or you can also search using Windows Update section. Just go to search automatically, then click on search for updated drivers on Windows Update. So it will search it here also. So in this way, you can easily update your Bluetooth drivers in Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.